students struggle with reducing fractions. So it's easier when you're multiplying to actually reduce them before you actually multiply. So if you kind of go through this and you kind of look at 2 goes into 10. So look at all of these numbers as 2 times 9 times 5 all over 3 times 10 times 12. It'll be a little easier for your child to see. So we look at this 10, and we do know that 2 and 10, that 2 goes into 10 5 times. And we notice there's a 5 in the numerator and the denominator, so we can just make that go to 1. And then we say this is a 3, and we can make that 3 because 3 goes into 9 3 times. And then we have this 12 over here, which is, we can make that to 4 if we divide out the 3. And we end up with 1 over 4. If you had multiplied that out, you would have, and reduced it, you would have gotten the same answer. So let's try that again. So let's try this one. Again, we're looking at this 15 and this 3. If we were to just look at 3 over 15, we could reduce that to 1 over 5. Well, there's no reason why you can't do that now. All right, and then we have this 8 and this 4. So if we looked at 8 divided by 4, we would get 2 over 1. There's no reason you can't do that now. And I notice that I have a 5 here and a 5 here. So if I'm looking at 5 divided by 5, I would just get 1. So there's no reason you can't do that now. And the last thing I notice, I have my 1, I have a 2 and a 1, and I have a 1, 1, and a 16. And 2 and 16 do have common numbers. So we're going to go, if I had 2 over 16, I could make that 1 over 8. So there's no reason why I can't do that now. So now I notice I have 1 times 1 times 1, which is just 1. 1 times 1 times 8, which is just 1/8.